Good morning. Today is the 20th of September. Bank Nifty is opening 400 points gap up, and Nifty is opening 148 points. So all the banks pretty much, SBI is 1%, Axis is 1%, Kotak is almost 7.75%, SBI, HDFC. All of them are opening gap up. Yesterday the Dow closed almost 200 points in the positive, and even now it's 25 points in the positive. Hang Seng is positive. Crude has fallen yesterday. So if this level holds, because there's a resistance in most of the banks, so if this level holds, then we could see a good move. The RSI is at 78, so I'm not going to jump into the trade right away. Buying Bajaj Finance at 265 because it has crossed a crucial level on the upside. The 15-minute candle in Bajaj Finance sustains above 7,600, then this move can be really good. taken this at 315. Bajaj Finance is doing good. I'll just keep trailing there. If it sustains, then I'll hold it. Entry for this is 315. Just waiting. Since it's out of the money, I'll have to be a little cautious on that. The RSI is also on overbought zone. Sit at half at 335. Sitting one lot at placed an order at 330. We'll wait if it triggers. Bajaj Finance has broken a very big support. So I think I can hold this. Let's see how it goes. Just waiting for the first 15-minute candle to close. And after that, that can be a good trailing. It's only 2% up. So I think I can exit half quantity at 295. Waiting for 340 to come in. That doesn't come, I'll exit this as well. It's taking a small retrace. 15 minutes is really good in Bajaj Finance. The 75,000 call Writers are exiting in Bajaj Finance very well. The 15-minute close is absolutely brilliant. I'm gonna trail it. 305 can be another exit. It comes. Exit at 300. Okay. Another lot at 310. 205. As long as it doesn't come down with volume, be happy to buy on dips. Although there is an OI spike in this, that's the reason I'm not quickly trailing my profits. Because they might just take it to 45, 41, 500 and then push it down. In-minute candle is very good in Bank Nifty. So is it in Nifty. I'll be exiting the Bajaj trade. We'll take a re-entry. Exiting this as well. 320. 30,000 done. Trying to see if there can be a possibility for the open and high, although it's of a very low possibility because it's already fallen 53%. If it crosses a good level, then we can try for it. unable to see the strength in Bank Nifty as it's going up. It has to cross this level, or it can just come down quickly and then go again, because the writing has improved big time. And also there are a lot of open and highs on the put side. I haven't taken any trade, I'm just waiting. Even the trending OI is bullish, so shouldn't get trapped on the put side. The probability will be good if it crosses 400. Until then, I'll stay out. I'll be looking at call options only. It has taken proper support on the VWAP. 5-minute candle also looks good. Just waiting for another confirmation to take the trade. The 15-minute candle is also pretty good. The volume is very dry. It's at 15K. Not very convincing. Look at the way it has reversed completely. What are at 327? Exited half at 345. Exited half 320, 335, 250 quantity. The 250 quantity left. The day's high is 346. We exited at 345. That was a good exit. The only thing of my concern is the call OI is 32, the put OI is 12. Although from 9 lakh to 12 lakh there is a good OI built up, there is not any decrease in the OI on the put side. They are still writing positions from 28 to 32. So that's where I'm a little cautious on the upside, especially at 41,500, because that is where they've previously pushed it down. We're currently running at 46,000 profit. I'm just going to trail this. It's not going to sustain. I can exit, but then in the futures, it has crossed the day's high with good volume, but I'm waiting for this candle close. This should close in green for me to hold on to the trade, or else I'll exit. I'm exiting this trade. 335 is one of the exit. Cancel that. Exiting all at 330. Yep. Exited all. Oops. The RSI has cooled off a bit. Let's look at the data once, since it's been almost 1 hour. The data is very much bullish. There's a good gap between the call writers and the put writers. There is almost 90%, 80% at the money increase in price and more than 50% decrease in price. The best trade would be if it forms a dip because the data is absolutely bullish, both with Nifty and Bank Nifty. In fact, in Nifty it is minus. If I'm seeing that right, it's minus in the OI. That's a lot of call unwinding. All the calls at 17,700, 800, all of these have started unwinding. 17,800 has huge OI built up today, almost 51 lakh out of 70 lakh. That's a massive OI built up. Look at this. At every price they were writing it 117, 107, 99, 94. So the big players must be very sure that they want to take it down, push it above that level. Okay, so this might give us a small trade, but I don't want to capture it at the high. So I'll see because I'm already done with my day's target. I'm happy with that. So unless and until it's a good trade, I don't want to enter into it. Because the OI built up in this strike is still high. If this has to go above, go higher, then the OI has to come down, like how it is for the call writers here. The put writing is massive. Same with put writing at 41,500. Until yesterday, 41,500 puts, the OI was at 2,80,000. Today it is 16,85,000. 500% rise in price. At every level they are writing 41,500. And the other side of the story is what is keeping me a little confused and cautious. Although they built massively on this side, they're not unwinding any positions on the call side. The call writers who have been writing since a long time, since almost, if we consider last Thursday, which is when it hit the all time high, since then they are pushing it. If the OI drops, then that will be a very good trade in this. Since there are no other trades, I'm closing this day with 42,000 profit. So my brokerage would somewhere be around 11, 1200. So approximately looking at 40,000 profit. I've taken this trade at 364 and 310. Since it's a very long breakout, almost after 2 hours 15 minutes, I'll try to hold it as much as possible. See how it goes. Taken 2 strikes, which is 41,500 and 41,600. Price here is 310 and this is at 364. We're seeing good OI unwinding happening on 41,500, but not that much as I've expected it to happen. See, even this candle should be a bullish candle. That is when we'll get the best trade. Waiting for this candle close. I want this candle to close bullish because the previous candle, although it came with very good volume, that could be an algo. So I'm waiting for this candle close to be strong for me to hold on to this trade. Instead, some quantity at 370 and 431. I'm holding on to the other 250 quantity on both the strikes. So I've exited at 370 and 431 on this. The Y fall on this is amazing. This is what I wanted. So is the Y fall very good in this. Almost missing a great OI difference. We check the last 15 minutes. We're seeing almost 6 lakhs being unwinded. Planning to add 100 quantity at 360. If it comes down, if it doesn't, I'll just trail it. This is how it's looking to me. In the last 15 minutes, we're seeing almost 6 lakhs OI being unwinded. 36, it has come down to 30. It's a lot of OI, call OI being unwinded. Long buildup is fully intact. I think you would have got the signal. Okay, no, we did not get the signal yet. I'm holding on to the trade. So I've exited at 430 again and 370. I'm expecting a small retrace and then it goes again. That will be amazing. I have 125 quantity left on both the strikes at 430 and 375. I'll let it run for a while. There has been a massive unwinding in both the OIs, Entries prices are 310 and 365. The RSI at 77. There should be a massive wide drop. Look at this, from 35 lakhs it has come to 28 lakhs. This is what I wanted. From 35 lakhs to 27 lakhs. Exiting this at 40. I'm holding on to this. Going forward, that will be my strike as it retraces. So the first exit was at 430, from 364 to 430. That was my first exit. 65 points there. Placed an order at 380, did not get triggered. So I'm waiting for this bounce to come. I'll keep adding 75 quantity for every 10 points. 25 quantity should be good. Seven. I have a total of 500 quantity now. I have a total of 625 quantity, 370 is my break even. After 250 at 373, I'm not able to see a strong up move. If it comes, then I can take. But otherwise, I'm trying to limit my risk. We are very close to all-time high in Bank Nifty. The all-time high is 41,855, and we're at 41,687. So we're pretty much there. Placed another So I've exited all the trades, waiting for the next opportunity, which would be at the support level. If it doesn't come here, I would exit. I would not take a trade again. If it does come, I can take another 500 quantity here with a small stop loss of, let's say, 10-15 points. I would be risking like the 7,000 rupees that I've got. Looking to see if this breakout will sustain. 5 minutes is looking good. 15 minutes is also looking good. But had there been a dip, it would have been really good. Bank Nifty is very close to all-time high. This was the all-time high, 41,840, which is 200 points away. Close is not convincing me to take a trade because it's happening with 10k volume. That's very low. It's not a good risk reward entry taking at this point. waiting for it to completely come down to either the 20 moving average or the super trend. Then I can take a multiple quantity. The best trade would be the 5-minute super trend because that is exactly where the current day high, previous high was there. That's where the super trend is also there. That would be the best trade, but let's see what we can get. Is at 410. Only if it comes down to 400, I'll add more quantity, or else I'll just trail this. I just took 250 quantity. I'll add more at 405, 400. Placed an order at 420. Did not get triggered. Looks like there's more fall. So I have 125 quantity left with me. I'll exit this as well. Exited all. Took it at 410. Exited at 450. If the dip is good, then I can buy at the lower levels. Since I'm buying in the money, I'm being a little careful. I've noticed that Dow is falling and the market is might remain in this zone for a while. So I'm closing my day with 1,09,000 profit.